This is a 2005 Mercury Mountaineer. It has a 4.6-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 5-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, heated seats, a premium audio system, a double wishbone independent front suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, a CD player, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, front and rear reading lights, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.